Alright y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chocolate cake, but not just any chocolate cake. With everything going on in the world today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a quarantine chocolate cake. And that's because we have no perishables. We're taking out the milk, we're taking out the butter, and we're taking out the eggs. For this we have some sugar, we have some flour, we got some oil, we got some water, we got some vanilla extract. We got in here, we have both baking soda and baking powder. We have some cocoa powder, and we have some M&Ms. This is a chocolate and M&M quarantine cake. Alright y'all, so for this, we're going to start with 3 cups of flour, all-purpose. We are also going to be adding in 2 cups of sugar, regular granulated. We also have 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder, dark cocoa powder. Alright, so here we have 2 teaspoons of each baking soda and baking powder, 2 teaspoons of each. Now, we're just going to go ahead and incorporate all of our dry goods together, which is taking a wire whisk and whisking this all up until it's all well incorporated together. And with there being cocoa powder in here, that'll be pretty easy to tell. Now you could also sift this, but I don't have a sifter, and that'll do this job as well. Okay, so now we have 1 cup of vegetable oil, 2 cups, 2.5 cups of water. And 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. We're just going to go ahead, get this well mixed up. Okay, now we have this all mixed up. Last thing to do, just dump in our M&Ms. Now, if you're using an electric mixer for your cake batter, once you dump in the candies, you gotta mix it by hand. And that when you're baking anything with candies, brownies, cake, anything like that, you always add the candy in last, and you always mix it by hand. That way it doesn't break up and destroy the candies. So now we're going to go ahead, preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to bring out our baking pan. So we have 2 6-inch pans here, and I made a little more cake batter than I was anticipating, but we went ahead, lightly greased them, and we're just going to split this between our 2 cake pans. Alright, so we split it evenly between our 2 cake pans. We're going to let them sit, even out while our oven preheats. Alright y'all, so our oven is preheated to 350 degrees. We are going to go ahead and sit both of these cakes in there, and we're going to cook them for about 20 to 25 minutes or until done. Alright y'all, and there you have it. A chocolate M&M cake made quarantine style, no perishables. If you like this recipe and you want to see more, go check out my channel. Otherwise, hit that like and subscribe button down below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.